November the 14th, what's for dinner? Tonight we're having cheeseburgers and fries. And I'm eating that with some ketchup and some ranch. And that's what's for dinner. November the 18th, what's for dinner? Tonight I made some fried up some smoked sausages, some southern style hash browns, and scrambled eggs. So we're having a breakfast dinner. And then on the 17th, we just had like a random kind of eat a sandwich kind of thing. And then on the 16th, I forgot to film or take a picture, but I had blade steaks, boiled potatoes, and rolls. So that's what we had for dinner then. November the 20th, what's for dinner? Tonight I made homemade spaghetti, and we're having that, and we're having garlic bread. November the 23rd, what's for dinner? I made mashed potatoes, turkey, has some cranberry, rolls, dressing, green beans, there's some gravy on top. I also made deviled eggs, but I don't want any of those right now. And that's what's for dinner. Thanksgiving. Yes, we're having our Thanksgiving dinner today at home. And it looks and smells delicious. I can't wait to dig in. November the 29th, what's for dinner tonight? We are having these beef patties that are smothered in southern gravy, mashed potatoes, and I have creamed corn on top of my potatoes. And that's what's for dinner tonight. December the 6th, what's for dinner? Tonight I made the crock pot chicken and gravy that I have in the kitchen video on, so that will be linked below. Mashed potatoes, real ones, and with the chicken gravy on those, and peas. So that is what's for dinner tonight. December the 8th, what's for dinner? Tonight we're having grilled cheese and beef stew. So yummy for this cold night. And that's what's for dinner. December the 13th, what's for dinner? Tonight I made a Mississippi roast, which smells amazing. I cannot wait to get again. I made boiled potatoes, which they looked mashed, but they're just boiled with some little bit of salt and some butter mixed in. And they're really soft, so they are kind of like mashed in a way. But boiled potatoes, broccoli, steamed broccoli, and a roll with some butter. Yummy! And that's what we're having for dinner tonight.